The BBC has merged with CITV, 4 Music, Channel 4, ITV, and Nick Jr. UK, due to a national emergency which is vital to your life, and do not panic. Recently, it has been stated that Saturn will collide with Earth, obliterating it, due to Saturn's size, killing all forms of life. Saturn will strike at around 8 a.m. tomorrow, killing everyone on Earth. But please do not panic instead. If you have children, then play a game with them or spend some time with them, as you only have one more day with them. When Saturn collided with Earth, you would die in less than a millisecond, and you would experience a painless death. Unfortunately, there is no way to stop it, and it would shred the Earth into a million pieces, leaving nothing left. Going into rockets will be impossible as the moon has no food, and space is cold and has no gravity.
Good evening, everyone. From me, Susanna Simons.
And from Desmond Carrington.
And believe it or not, tonight the Mountbatten Festival of Music comes of age because it is 21 years since Paul Neville conducted the very first of these concerts, which was dedicated to the memory of Sir Malcolm.